Hi, my name is Matteo. I'm originally from Italy, at the moment living in London. And with Learning People, I've decided to start learning coding. I wanted to change my job because I wanted to work in technology. I was searching online for some further education for myself as I was working. And then I found Learning People by seeing the full support that you have during and after the study. What I wanted from my life was to be able to be more flexible, especially when we talk about work and location. Before my career change, I was a maintenance technician working here in London, and now I'm a support analyst working for a tech company, same again in London. I'm extremely happy with my career change. I'm very flexible and I can spend a lot of time with my young daughter. On the first call with Learning People, I was informed all the details that I needed to know before starting my career change. Straight away I felt reassured about all my doubts about the career change, the study time and everything else. So I was really satisfied already. StudentCare team was really supportive and really helped me going through my diploma and also find a new job. I reached out to the StudentCare team after my second milestone, so halfway through the course up until I found my first job, and also I was able to be in touch even afterwards if I needed questions, support with my CV and cover letter. StudentCare team was really excellent support. Engaging with a course mentor was excellent, as I had someone that worked in the industry and could give me professional advice. A piece of advice that I got given was keep studying, you'll get there and you're gonna have the best job in your life. The career service team had a significant impact on me when I started the interviews. Second guessing myself constantly, thinking that I couldn't do it, and they were very supportive. They were giving me tips to how to be successful. They explained to me exactly how the interview was going to be, and at the end I was very successful, so I was very impressed with the career service team. With the help of Learning People, my career change trajectory was really straightforward and well organized. I learned a lot from them, especially how to make a good CV and a good cover letter that will help you get your first interviews, which is not very easy not knowing the industry. The career change is a process and you need to follow those little steps to be successful.